Amelia, you ready to ride?
Joel, do you think this is a good idea?
Yeah, she'll be fine. You ready, baby?
She's just a
Look,
baby.
she's happy.
I'm sure she's happy now.
Where's Cole? All right. Stick your hands in here. You can sit up now, right, baby? There you go. She's ready now. Okay. Cole, let's give her a nice push. 1, 2, 3. Get her, Pierce.
Hey, buddy, bring her here. I want to see her. I'll make sure she's okay. Hey, Millie, was that fun? Was that fun, Millie? Did you like sledding?
Your turn, Cole.
Was that fun?
Okay, I can walk now.
Was that fun? Is Cole okay?